Bonjour à tous et bienvenue sur ma chaîne YouTube. Hello all and welcome to my YouTube channel Learn French with Megha. Je m'appelle Megha, je suis indienne. Quelle est votre nationalité? Avez-vous français ou canadien ou suisse? My name is Megha. I am Indian. What is your nationality? Are you French, Canadian or Swiss? So guys, today's lesson is all about teaching nationalities in French language. But before starting a lesson, I request you to please like, subscribe and share my video. I have tried to cover most of the nationalities and I have also divided these nationalities according to their formation so that it will be easy for you to understand and learn. Some feminine adjectives are formed by adding E at the end. Words ending with S, D and T are silent in the masculine and sounds in feminine. Plural of nationalities are formed by adding S in the singular masculine and feminine. For example, Français, Française, Chinois, Chinoise, Japonais, Japonaise, Anglais, Anglaise, Spaniel, Spaniol. Here, all these nationalities are ending with S. So we will not pronounce S. As I told you, words ending with S, D and T are silent in masculine and sounds in feminine. So we will pronounce only Français, Chinois, Japonais, Anglais. And as all these nationalities are already ending with S, so there is also no need to add an extra S to make them plural. But in feminine, all the nationalities are ending with E. As to make feminine, we have to add E in some adjectives. So we will pronounce Française, Chinoise, Japonaise, Anglaise, and there is also need to add an extra S to make them plural. Let's see some more examples. American, American, Danois, Danoise, Mexican, Mexican, Pakistani, Pakistanis, Almo, almond. Here we are not pronouncing D. As I told you, words ending with S, G and T are silent in masculine, but it sounds in feminine. So almo, almond. Another point to keep remember while forming the nationalities is if the adjectives are ending with IEN or EN, N is doubled and then E is added. For example, India, Indian, Australia, Australian, Irania, Iranian, Jordania, Jordanian, Kuwaitia, Kuwaitian. Here, all the nationalities are ending with IEN or EN. So, to form the feminine of these nationalities, N is doubled and E is added. Let's see some more examples. Italia, Italian, Canada, Canadian, Saudia, Saudian, Emiria, Emirian, Algeria, Algerian. There are also certain adjectives which have the same form in masculine and feminine. For example, Swiss, Swiss, Belge, Belge, Rus, Rus. All these nationalities remain same in masculine and feminine. There is no change in the spelling of these nationalities. And to make plural, we have to simply add S to make them plural. Now, let us do some sentences. We will try to fill these blanks with correct nationalities. First one is Il habite on Inde. Il habite on Inde. He lives in India. Il est indien. Andia without extra N or E because ill is masculine. Second one is El Habib of France. El Habib of France. Then LA. Can you tell me what will come over here? LA, Frances, Caribbean. Here Frances will be with E because L is feminine. Jabit or Australie. I live in Australia. Je suis Australia. If I am masculine, then I will say je suis Australia. And if I am feminine, I will say je suis Australian. Next one is vous habitez aux États-Unis. You live in United States of America. Then vous êtes. If you lives in America, then you are America. If you are feminine, then you will say American. If you are masculine, then you will say America. And if you are plural, then you will add S with America. Nous habitons en Suisse. Nous sommes Swiss. Nous habitons en Suisse. We live in Swiss. Then we are Swiss. As you know that there is no change in the feminine and masculine of Swiss. So, but nous is plural, then we will add S, Swiss. Il habite en Allemagne. He lives in Germany. Ils ont allemand. Ils ont allemand. Here the nationality is ending with D, so we will not pronounce D. And it is plural, then we will add S. And the pronunciation will be ils ont allemand. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment box. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and press the notification icon. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir. A bientôt.